Guys, here's the new Icon box they came out with. Let's get a little closer look here. There's the top drawer. There's your paperwork holder. Power drawer. It's pretty tall. And here's your regular US Generals. Nice casters on it. See, at least they put USBs on them. For some reason, Snap-on don't do that on the tops. But that's about it. Came in to pick up something for my father's. Super nice. Get 4 drawers. Well guys, that's about it for now. Take it easy and get back out and fix something. Can we go ahead and talk about these new paint guns Harbor Freight's carrying now? The Black Widow by Spectrums. Item number on the professional HVLP 56152. HTE compliant one is 56153. There's the information for that one. Information for that one. Look at this thing. Alright, here's your 2.0 bar. 28 PSI. I mean, it's a 1.7 tip. Guys, I don't paint hardly at all. I've painted like 3 times my whole life with a gun. I just want to buy this thing because it looks so nice. Give me 1 second, I'll pull the other one down. And there's this one. This one is a 2.5 bar, 35 PSI with a 1.3 tip. They're amazing. And these are the ones right under this one. They're made by Spectrum too, but they're just a step under, I guess. 64824 and 64823. There's all that info and that info. Here's the back of the box if you want to pause it and read it or get any closer. I'm not sure if any of you guys are big painters. There's the front of it. And can we talk about these for a second? For $3.99, these things are amazing. Delco Water, which is the local water company that supplies water to basically everybody around me. All these are on their service trucks, and we just started using them. These things are amazing. You can run oil, diesel, gas, antifreeze, anything through these things, and they're bulletproof. You just put it on the end of a drill. Item number 62783. I'm getting 5 of them. Well, 3 of them. There's only 3 left. I'm getting all 3 of them. Alrighty guys, well, I will catch you back at the shop and we'll touch bases on some other things. Catch you later.